Alright, so what we got going on today? I fucking made some upgrades to my setup. You feel me? So yeah, that's all I'm showing you guys is the unboxing and motherfucking setup tour. And yeah, that's really it. So yeah, you guys enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. I ain't gonna lie, this shit's simple. When I first seen this shit, I was like, boy, what the fuck? You see that? All this shit. That's all this shit. But it's really simple. Okay, this is the importance of building fucking Legos, nigga. Real shit. This is the importance of building Legos. Cause when your ass get grown, you gotta do shit like this. It's gonna come in handy. This shit fun. I feel like you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm in school. I feel like I'm in school or playtime or some shit. And step one complete, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit. I'm fucking shit up. Weed. It's the finished product. You feel me? Look nice. Look just like the box for real. Get what you buy, you feel me? Excuse that Wendy's. I fuck with it, and it feels good. Feels good. Now I just gotta set up my monitor, desk, shit like that. Nice little chair. I'm gonna be unboxing this monitor and a new monitor and shit. Kind of get a little setup, but yeah, we're gonna unbox this monitor, and that's really it. I got it from Walmart. This ain't nothing special, you feel me? It's a little Ultragear 27GQ40W. That's what it say on the box. All I know is this motherfucker got 1 millisecond response time, and hey, that's good enough for me. So yeah, let's do it. Box, just so y'all can look at it. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Put y'all in the box of the fucking really, this can just get down right now. Come on, knife. I really want to hurry all this shit out so I can fucking smoke a blunt and chill. Life, nigga. I'm gonna let y'all look. I'm a boxing. I'm gonna be honest. I keep on my boxing. I'm gonna let y'all look at the box one more time. You feel me? Like, this ain't even no name brand fucking monitor, but it's still a nice box, and I appreciate it. Cause, well, I mean, that's Walmart shit. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it because we appreciate nice boxes. Nice boxes, new packages, nigga. Let me make sure I'm not stabbing them under. That'd be crazy. Oh yeah. I love the smell of fresh styrofoam. It's fucking sexy. You see this? Bullshit, nigga. I hope. Oh, don't tell me. I really hope this is not the fucking block for the monitor. That's ugly as shit. This should have just been a cord. If this is the block for the monitor, like, that plugs into the wall, that's fucking horrible. Fucking LG, of course. Hey, but it's about the performance, you feel me? So you don't see how this shit displays. It's about the display and performance. Put that right there. Oh, fucking hell. I don't know what that is. It's the actual capture itself. Alright, so if you get that, if you decide to get this monitor, That's what come with it. You get the stand, feel me? Some wires, these janky ass wires, and the fucking screen. So I'm gonna put this shit together. I'm gonna show you guys. They gave me some HDMI cords, you feel me? That's always a W. This shit is so fucking ugly, bro. Like, what the fuck is this, bro? A phone charger? A fucking Android charger? That motherfucker's sexy, I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker's sexy. You can't really see it on camera for real, but this motherfucker is like glaring, nigga. Like, in person, this shit is sexy, man. You know what I'm saying? So this is what it's looking like after setup. It looked good to me, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know, it looked good to me. Everything working perfectly. I wish I had two. I really didn't just put the fucking PC on the floor and got down. Get two monitors, but on the way. What am I trying to say? Yeah, it's cool. Let me show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Nice. Need to get a new rug. Fucking yeah, that's the setup. I wish I grabbed the wrong motherfucking desk. I'm so fucking mad. But fucking yeah, when we get a new one, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Let's sit down. You know what I'm saying? It's good. Make sure you guys go subscribe. I guess I'll explain the setup. It's nothing really too special. You know what I'm saying? Legion gaming PC pre-built, 800. Got it from fucking where'd I get that shit from? Best Buy. Fucking Razer goddamn Chroma keyboard. Razer Def Adder. Both Walmart. I think this was fucking, what was this, like 80? This was like, no, this was 120. This was 80. Yeah, correctly. Fucking this random fucking speaker actually was gifted this. No, I wasn't gifted this. I bought this for $40 at Target, actually. Asus fucking monitor. It's a throwback Asus though. I don't know what specific year. I got this off of where'd I get this off of? What's that shit called? Oh, OfferUp. Got this off of OfferUp. This is the new monitor. I don't even know what the fuck it is. I just know it's LG, but all of the specs and shit that's in earlier in the video. You know what I'm saying? That's what you guys will fucking see. What else? Blue Snowball mic. I've had that for about 3 years. About 90. Get it from Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, about anywhere. But it's not even a Blue Snowball, Blue Yeti. I'll be saying it wrong, but you know what I mean. I lost my motherfucking mic cord, so I gotta use the fucking Leapfrog cord. As far as my headset is just a PlayStation headset that I just use. Webcam, my fucking webcam is some shit called 4K Ultra HD. It was $60. It works, alright? I don't know. I actually need to test out my webcam, make sure it's the right angle that I want. But yeah, let me see that real quick actually. I love it. Skinny out, dibby dibby doo da. I I'm mad that I didn't get the right desk because I really wanted all my little knickknacks and accessories like on my desk. Like I wanted the fucking Hello Kitty shit right here and the fucking Scooby-Doo van right there. But I ain't fucking I got the wrong size desk, bro. It's not too bad. My knees are just fucking right here though. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm sitting in a second, but I need to check my webcam. Hold on. This angle is not bad. I gotta see if I prefer another angle. This angle is not bad at all. It's really just gonna be the side or the front. But this is not bad at all. I can sit here talking my shit, doing boxes and shit. It's not bad at all. Let me see. Hold on. This angle not bad either. I just don't like fucking. I'd rather probably use this angle if I'm doing like fucking having people over or fucking like, I don't know, an unboxing or something. But as far as like gameplays, I definitely prefer this angle. That angle is way harder for gameplays. This angle is good for like sit downs, unboxing, XYZ. But yeah, that's a setup, bro. I fuck with it. Fucking computer specs and shit, I'll just put on the screen. Tell me how I don't feel like going through that shit and fucking look again. Make sure y'all can copy out runs. I'm over here stepping all over the place. Copy out runs. Dystopia. I got pink ones coming soon. I don't know why I'm in these overalls. They're comfortable, alright? That's it. But yeah, that's the room and the setup right now. Ain't really, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too special. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Pretty nice. I'm fucking with it. Gotta start somewhere. We'll upgrade as we go. Pretty soon I'm gonna get another monitor, new PC, all that type of shit. But yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna smoke.